In this video, we will show you how to submit the Medi-Cal renewal form online. In order to complete this process online, please make sure you have completed the following 2 steps. 1. Created a Medi-Cal account. 2. Linked your Medi-Cal case to your Medi-Cal account. If you have not already done so, you can visit renewwithaltamed.com to view how-to videos that will guide you through these 2 steps. To start, first log into Medi-Cal account. If you see this screen, click I accept to accept the terms of use. On your dashboard, under the Things to Do section, you will see Submit Renewal. Please note that it can take from 24 to 48 hours for this renewal option to appear on your Medi-Cal dashboard after having linked your Medi-Cal case to your Medi-Cal account. This is the due date for your renewal. Make sure to submit your renewal and any required documents by this date. Click on Start Your Renewal to get started. Next, you will see an overview of the renewal process. At the top, you will see the due date for your renewal. First, you will need to go step by step on the upcoming pages to fill in and submit your renewal. Second, you may need to upload certain documents, but please note that you can get started now and come back and upload your documents later. Lastly, your county office will review your renewal and let you know if they need more information or documents. Click on Begin to continue to the next step. Here you can see an overview of the case details that you can edit, add, and delete when submitting your renewal. Click Next to continue. This is the Medi-Cal renewal summary screen. It shows each section of the renewal. You can come back to this screen at any time. Let's get started with the first section. Click the Start button next to the Your Information section. Take a moment to review your information on this screen. If your name, home address, mailing address, contact information, and spoken languages section all look correct, then click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. If you need to update some sections of your information, just click the Edit link. Here is an example of how to update the Contact Information section. Click the Edit link right next to Contact Information. Enter your new information, for example, your mobile phone number, then select the box at the bottom for the best way to contact you. When you're done updating, scroll to the bottom and click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Now let's move on to the next section. Click the Start button next to the People section. Review each household member on the list. If nothing has changed and everyone in your household is listed correctly, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. If someone is no longer in the home, click Edit to remove them. To add someone to the household, click on the Add Another Member button. Be sure to enter their first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Be sure to select how this person is related to you from the pull-down menu. Click Next to continue. Once you're done adding and removing household members, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Let's move on to the next section. Click the Start button next to the Household Details section. If someone in your household needs to apply for new benefits, such as those related to pregnancy, disabilities, or long-term care, please check the boxes that apply. If this doesn't apply to you, check the box None of these apply. Click Next to continue. Next, let's review the tax details for the household. If something doesn't look correct, such as tax filing status, you can click Edit next to each person to update the information. Once you're done reviewing, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Answer any questions that may come up on the screen and click Next to keep moving forward. Now let's continue to the next section. Click the Start button next to the Income section. This example screen does not show income, but this is where you would see the income information Medi-Cal has on file for you. If you need to report another source of income, click on the Add Another Income button. Please read the different income categories carefully. They are split up into income from a job or self-employment, income from government sources, and income from other sources. Click Next to continue, answer any questions that may come up on the screen, and click Next to keep moving forward. Let's move on to the next section. Click the Start button next to the Expenses section. Review the household expenses. You can click Add Another Expense to add additional expenses for the household that may be missing. Once you're done reviewing, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Next, review the Medicare coverage and other health insurance for the household. Once you're done reviewing, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Let's continue on to the Assets section. Click the Start button next to the Assets section. Review your financial assets on the screen, such as bank accounts and their respective balances. Click Edit to update. You can also click on the Add Another Asset button if necessary. Once you're done reviewing, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Review your property and vehicles on this screen. Click Edit to update if necessary. You can also click on the Add Another button if necessary to add a property or a vehicle. Once you're done reviewing, click on the This Looks Correct button to continue. Let's move on to the last set of questions. Click the Start button next to the Other Situations section. Throughout this Other Situations section, you will see just 1 to 2 questions per screen. Please note that there may be questions we do not cover in this or other sections of this video because every situation is different. Just keep in mind that selecting Yes for some questions might open an additional screen to complete the set of questions. There's also a Next and Back button if you need to read something again or continue on to where you were. Answer the questions on the screen and click Next to continue. At the end of this section, Benefits-Cal may list other programs your account might be eligible for. Check the box next to the programs you would like to apply for, and your caseworker will follow up with you. Let's continue to the final section. Click the Start button next to the Document Upload section. Benefits-Cal will show you a list of some suggested documents to upload. Here's an example of a suggested document. Uploading documents now is not required to submit the renewal, but it does help process the renewal faster. Click Next to continue to the Review and Submit section. At the bottom of the screen, enter your first name and last name. Now check the box here indicating you agree to sign the renewal electronically. Finally, click the Submit Renewal button. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your Medi-Cal renewal to be reviewed by your county. As a last step, you will see your confirmation receipt with the date and time your renewal was submitted, as well as your case number. It is important that you keep this information for your records. To get a copy of your confirmation receipt sent to you, use this button for a text, this button for an email, and this button to print. For a detailed summary of your renewal information, use this button to download and this button to print. This concludes this video. For further assistance, please consult the contact information on this screen.